I am repairing my roof today, and I'm using this new product. It's called Leak Stopper Roof Patch, and this is supposed to be a rubberized roof repair. I got a leak that I need to fix, so I'm going to try to use this product and see how well it works. Okay, I'm going to pull the top off right here. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. And you can use a trowel to put it on. Okay, I'm up in the attic and it's nighttime, and I have went ahead and sealed around this vent pipe coming out of the bathroom. Didn't take me long to do it, but I did notice that once you apply this, if you apply it thin, it'll dry faster, usually in about a day. If you apply it thicker, it takes several days for it to dry. So I just want to throw that out there to you, just in case you ever have to use it, or having any kind of leak, and you use this product, it would take longer to dry under those circumstances. Okay, I'm looking inside through my attic where I had a leak. I got a vent right there to my left, right there, and it was leaking right there. And I got up on the roof, and I somehow must have stepped on a probably a rotten 2x4, 2x6. One of the boards up there cracked, so I put this roof patch on there. So I put it on there about 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna give you an update on it. Okay, I'm going back over what I just said. About 2 weeks ago, I had a leak right around the front of my vent right here, and I got up on the roof here, and right where I was walking, I must have stepped on probably a weak piece of wood or something, and kind of cracked. So the next day it started to rain and it started to leak. So I got some of this roof patch and put it right here in the valley. And actually the next day it stopped raining, and it rained pretty hard, and it didn't leak. So you can kind of see I put it on there kind of hard, kind of thick rather, right there in the valley, but it was just a little board that had a little crack in it, and that's where the water was coming in. But it's dry now. None of the water is coming in. So I can honestly say that that roof patch works pretty good. So I paid about $20 for a gallon pail of the product. And like I said, I put it on there pretty thick. It rained the next day. It didn't. It hasn't. It didn't. It didn't leak. And it's rained a couple of times. I guess in the last couple of weeks, and still everything is still dry. So the product does work.